to the people, particularly in the rural area.
The Khasi Authors Society would take the 4-decade-long movement for the constitutional recognition of the Garo and Khasi languages to the national capital through a series of seminars and demonstrations. KAS President DRL Nonglat said that the society now wants to take the voices of the people to New Delhi by holding a national seminar on Khasi language and literature on September 29th and 30th. He said Khasi intellectuals, including university teachers from across the country, are expected to attend the seminar to share their ideas on how to promote Khasi language and literature, as well as to intensify the demand for recognition of the Garo and Khasi languages. Citing states such as Rajasthan, which have made similar demands, Nonglat said that the government might have to amend the age schedule to include new languages.
Next month, on 29th and 30th of September, we will be having a national seminar on Khasi language, literature and culture in New Delhi, where all the Khasi intellectuals, including university teachers across the country, will join the seminar to share thoughts and ideas about how to promote Khasi language and literature, and also to intensify or demand for inclusion of Khasi in the age schedule.
To mark the birth anniversary of its founder,